looking at a letterhead with the name McDonald's on it. You care to explain?
It was confusing. People didn't even know it had anything to do with McDonald's.
What's confusing is you calling yourself the McDonald's
Corporation. People will think it's the whole company, not just the real estate
estate arm, which we strongly suspect is what you hope.
You put Dick's Arches on your letterhead? This is not your company, Ray.
Mac,
Do you understand that?
Mac, don't get upset.
We came up with the Speedy system, not you. Us. What have you ever come up with? Can you name one thing? You can't. And you never have, and you never will, because you are a leech, Ray. You are a professional leech.
You know what I came up with, Mac? A concept. I came up with the concept of winning.
Let me
While
talk
you
to
two
him.
boys were content to sit back and be a couple of also-rans.
I want to take the future. I want to win. And you don't get there by being some aw shucks nice guy sap.
There's no place in business for people like that.
Business is war. It's dog eat dog, rat eat rat. If my competitor were drowning, I'd walk over and I'd put a hose right in his mouth. Can you say the same?